Hello, my name is Ashwara Sahani, and today I'm going to talk about my course project, CloudSim plus Modeler. The project I've worked for the CS 540 Advanced Software Engineering class along with my teammate Mehul Berari. So, for the sake of this project, we have extended the CloudSim plus framework. So, rather than coding the CloudSim plus framework, we are pictorially dragging and dropping the different modules like VMs, data centers, hosts, and based on the configurations and the setup, we are generating the running the models and generating the output. So this is our layout of our project. So where we load the initial page with the different buttons, we drag and drop different modules like data center, VMs, hosts. Based on the configurations, we create a YAML file, and that YAML file is then used to automate and show the results back to the index page. So let me just run that project for you. We'll do a clean build project. Great, now that is done, let's just run the project. So this Springboard project has been started. Is it? So this is the UI for our project. So as mentioned earlier, we have different modules like data center, host, VM, and cloudlets. These modules are draggable components, so the user can drag and drop these components and then tune it as per his liking. So you can put values over here. And you can select different policies. You can select different components. So let me just add different hosts over here. Just increase the previous. You can change and tune the different components as per our liking. And let me just create 100 cloudlets or applications. And let me bind the host to the data center. So these are comma separated values. They can do that, and then the user can just click on the generate button. And the result of the execution is right in front of him. So the result has been displayed in a data table, so the user can filter the records and he can sort the orders and check everything for all the values. So all the 100 cloudlets have been executed, and it shows the finish times, the execution times, and everything. So user can play around with it, and he can get a better understanding of the data. So that's a project. Thank you.